Hi everyone, this is SBI PIVO Prelims Model Test number 5. First one, error location based section. In the given sentences, 4 parts A, B, C, D are given. Find out the error in the given parts. If there is no error, answer 5, mark 5 as the answer. And if we look at the options, the error will be in 2 parts. We need to find out in which 2 parts the error contains. Soon the farmers' dependence on distant markets catch up. Catch up is in the present. Soon the farmers' dependence on distant markets catch up. And here, what is the main subject? Farmers' dependence. Dependence is considered a noun that is singular. So if it is in present, it should be catches up if it is in the present. Let me read the next part, then I'll get the clarity whether it is related to present or past. So soon the farmers' dependence on the distant markets catch up with them. However, as a state bank system that had sprung up past, that had sprung up to support speculation, collapsed and dragged agricultural prices, land values down. So this context is related to past, not related to present. Hence, here in the A part, I need to keep caught, catch, caught. So soon the farmers' dependence on the distant markets caught up with them. However, as a state bank system that had sprung up to support speculation and collapsed by dragging. Here, dragging should be there. Why dragging? This is the reason. The state bank system sprung up. It had sprung up to support speculation, and it collapsed, and it led to the collapse of it led to dragging agricultural prices and land values down. So here, instead of dragged, it should be dragging. So A and D parts both contain error. So fourth part is the right answer. Fourth option. It is a travesty. Travesty is nothing but misinterpretation, wrong understanding, misconception. It is a travesty of representative democracy when elected representatives could retain. If you observe here, is related to present. But why is he using could? Could is related to past. And what is a present form of could? Could present form is can. Here, instead of could, we need to keep can because it is related to present tense. Already is indicating it is related to present. So instead of could, I need to keep can. So error is in B part. It can retain, representatives can retain their parliamentary status even after being alienating. After being, generally we take V3. Already being is in the format of ing. After ing, we generally don't consider ing. Instead of ing, we take V3. V3 means it should be alienated. So error is in both B and C. Let's check. Second option is the right answer. Written newspapers called Akhbar are known to have been in circulation. They are known to have been in circulation during the time of Mughal Empire. But the printed newspapers came into existence only after the contact with the West. Earlier newspapers were there, but printed material came into contact with the West when Western people came. Newspapers came when they were in contact with the West. If you observe, written newspaper called Akhbar are known to have been in circulation during the time of Mughal. No problem, Mughal Empire. But the printed newspapers came into existence. Answer is no error. Fifth one. At America. Can we use at America? If we take the case of prepositions, for small places we need to use at, and for large places we need to use in. You must have heard this in prepositions. It is used for small places. If a small place name is given, we need to use at, and if a large place name is given, we need to use in. Small places, large places. And America, in fact, it is a large place. So here I need to use in. In America, for instance, shareholders have a comparatively big say in the running of the enterprises they own. Workers who are for a most part only weakly unionized have much less influence. And according to superlative format, whenever we use most, we need to use the the most important, the most sincere, the most part, who are for the most part, not a most. So error is in first A and C. AC. Third option is the right answer. On this spectrum, Japanese capitalism lies. It is related to present. Always remember, if the sentence is lengthy, focus on verbs. There you can find errors most of the times. So Japanese capitalism lies even further away from the American variety. No role except to provide capital. Managers have been present perfect. This is present, that is also present. Managers have been left alone to run their companies as they saw. Saw is past. This is the odd man. Here saw should not be there because about to, here it is present, here it is present, but here it is past. Now what do I need to change? I need to change saw into see. It should be see. They see fit, namely for the benefit of employees and allied companies. Off is not needed as much as for shareholders, not in shareholders. So here D part has error and C part has error. Hence, first option is the right answer. Michel Foucault, one of the foremost French thinker of 20th century. Whenever one of phrase appears, we need to add plural noun. One of the foremost French thinkers. Error is there in the first. Foremost French thinkers of the 20th century writes that women has always been man's dependent and two have never shared the world in equality. Now what is he saying? Women has always been man's dependent. Women was dependent on man and two never have any equality, world of equality. Man, the sovereign, would provide women, not women, it should be woman, singular. A man should provide a woman the liege with material protection, but she might accept the moral constraints of confinement. So error is in the A part and C part. First option is the right answer. Rupert Emerson, a leading American expert on colonial affairs, says, what is he saying? The United Nations did not, United Nations did not in fact establish. So did not establish is nothing but verb. After verb we require an object. Did not establish worked jurisdiction. Worked jurisdiction wrong. It should be either working jurisdiction or work jurisdiction, not worked. Error is in the part A. Over decolonization and the great bulk of the politics of decolonization did not pass as it was through the UN funnel but has been directly worked out. See, if we observe from here, it is in the past. In the first line, he is saying, who is saying? Rupert Emerson is saying. He is a leading American expert on colonial affairs. What is he saying? That United Nations did not pass, and again, it did not pass. Past tense, it was past tense, but has been present perfect, but has been directly worked out wrong. It should be the past. Delete has been keep was, but was directly worked out whether peacefully or belligerently by the colonial powers. So error is in the A part and D part. Fourth option is the right answer. Pharmacists across the country went on a one-day strike this week to highlight their concerns about the threat from e-pharmacies and the cost that will be imposed by new regulations on the sale of medicines. This sentence does not contain any error. Answer 5 is the right answer. The focus of public and judicial concern over the situation prevailing in India's prisons has in recent times been related to overcrowding and long spell. Here it should be long spells. Spells means here series. Long series in incarceration. Incarceration is nothing but killing or burning. Incarcerations faced by indigent. Indigent means poor. Inmate wrong. Inmate means only single person in a jail. A person who is jailed, that too single person. It should be in the plural. Inmates. Poor inmates, too poor to obtain bail. So he's talking about the situation in jails, that too related to public judicial concern about India's prisons. Error is in the C part and D part. Fourth option. Scientists from Project Midas, a UK based Antarctic research project that have been looking. See, here it is a comma. Scientists from Project Midas, and after comma again new context. A UK based Antarctic research project. Now, what is Antarctic research project? Midas project. A UK based Antarctic research project that has been looking at the ice shelf for many years, comma. So up to here it is about the project. That's why singular. And have said, who have said, why have? Because of scientists. Scientists have said. Scientists belong to that particular research project have said that formation of icebergs is natural and no link to human induced climate change were available in this case. No link was available. This is the main subject. No link is singular. No link was available. No link is the main subject there. So no link to the human induced climate change was available in this case. Error is in the B part and D part. First option. Now, error comprehension passage. Let's directly go for the questions. What, according to the passage, both state and society expect? State and society expect. What do they expect? Here it is mentioned. Both state and society expect convict. Who is a convict? A person who is officially mentioned that he has committed crime. For example, an ex-person is accused. He is accused of some, for example, he is accused of murder. He is taken to jail. Accused person means blame. He is blamed. And the charges are not confirmed, they are only blamed. So still in suspicion only. And he is taken to jail. After jail, court, he'll be taken to court. In the court, what happens? The discussions will happen, arguments will happen between both sides of the lawyers, and finally judgment comes. Only judgment can happen in two ways. Either he has committed, the accused has committed crime. If he has committed crime, he is called convicted. Convicted or convict. If convict person should go to jail. Whereas he has not committed any crime, he has not committed murder. So he is called acquit or acquitted. So he can go home. So convict is a person, he is in jail or he has to go to jail after the court's judgment because his crime has been confirmed and proved. So both state and society expect convicts to be imprisoned, means to be jailed as long as possible. State and society both are expecting whoever commits mistakes, whoever commits crimes, they should be in jail for as long as possible. The longest jail term subsumes the shortest ones? No. Subsume is nothing but include. Consecutive prison terms for those convicted of more than one offense in a single trial should not be infrequent in India, may or may not be. Balance it with a robust. Robust means a strong system of probation or parole. The convict should be imprisoned for as long as possible. Fourth one is nearest to the given question. Answer fourth option. 12th question. Which of the following is not true? We require false statement. Not true means false. Let us look at the first one. One offense in a single trial are infrequent in India. There is one offense here. One offense in a single trial are infrequent in India. Infrequent. So this is true. We require false. Second sentence, the idea of releasing a person under supervised probation after a part of the sentence has been served is still frequent in India. Let's look at this. The idea of releasing a prisoner. Here it is mentioned, the idea of releasing a prisoner under supervised probation after a part of sentence has been served is still rare in India. It is still rare in India. And what is in the option? Still frequent. Frequent opposite is rare. Rare means happens very rarely. Frequent means regular. So this is false. Second one is false and first one is true. So if you look at fifth option, none of them. Then directly you can keep second one is the false statement. Second option is the right answer. How according to the passage two life sentences can be run consecutively? We need to search two life sentences. Here. I'm reading from here. Two life sentences have been ordered to run consecutively. Two life sentences have been ordered to run consecutively. The Supreme Court has now provided clarity on question of whether two or more sentences of life imprisonment can be made to run one after the other. It is basically irrational anomalous, says the Constitution bench, as life imprisonment is for a remainder of one's life unless ended by remission or commutation. Multiple life terms should be counted concurrently. Accordingly, judgments that run contrary to this principle have been overruled. Consecutive sentences are still permissible. So, two sentences have been ordered to run consecutively. Two or more sentences of life imprisonment cannot be, not sure. Two or more life imprisonment can be made together, yes. Two or more sentences of imprisonment, two or more sentences of life imprisonment can be made, yes. Answer two or three. And what is the difference? Second one, two or more sentences. Third one also two or more sentences of life imprisonment, can be made. Can be made together is second one, and third one can be made to run one after the other. So we need to search one after the other or together. Consecutive sentences are permissible if only one is fixed term and the other is one of the life, provided the term sentence is completed first and the life sentence begins later. So imprisonment can be made to run one after another. Answer is third option, only three, one after another. Which of the following is not common in India? We need to search what is not common. Lengthy prison sentences are not common in India. Lengthy prison sentences are not common. Third one, yes. And we require robust system of probation, one offense in a single trial. Here, one offense in a single trial are infrequent, not frequent. Rare means rare, not frequent means rare, not common, rare. Possibility is there. Second one, possibility is there. First one, robust system of probation. Here, robust system of probation or parole. Most of these countries balance it with a robust system of probation or parole, and above which unbelievably lengthy prison sentences are not common in India, unlike some jurisdictions in the West. However, most of these countries balance it with a robust system of probation or parole. On the other hand, the releasing of prisoner under supervised probation after a period of sentence has been served is still rare in India, means not common. Not common. So this is surely mentioned. This is infrequent and not common. Not common, this is surely mentioned. This is infrequent. This is rare. And we have AB options. But third option is the surest option. So we don't have 2, 3. Means BC is not there. Hence, let us take only third one. Lengthy present sentences. Which of the following can be suitable title? Consecutive sentences, many lives in one jail term, consecutive jail term, convict Supreme Court. Let me read the conclusion. I'm reading from here. Until sentencing guidelines are framed by the legislature or the superior judiciary, individual judges will have to carry the burden of awarding punishment that befits the crime. By holding that there shall be no consecutive life terms, the court has offered a ray of hope even to those locked away for life. Even it may not guarantee release, for justice ultimately cannot be merely retributive. Retributive means revenge taking. So here the context is about giving multiple punishments, multiple sentences of one life. For example, a person has committed 2, 3 crimes, and can he be given 2, 3 sentences? Can he be given 2, 3 punishments? That is the main theme of passage. So answer is second one, many lives in one jail term. Now odium. Odium means generally hatred, disgust, protest we can say, and we require similar meaning. Where is odium? Here. When those who have attracted great public odium by the enormity of their crimes. Public odium means public hatred. We require similar meaning and we require hatred related. Provoking means stimulating, making somebody to do something. Not related. Adoring means like becomes opposite to the given odium. Demonstrative, not related. Detest means dislike, hatred. Dislike, hatred, yes, possibility is there. Odium, hatred, detest, dislike, possibilities. Regard means giving regards. So answer is fourth option, detest. Subsume is nothing but general meaning is include. Where is the context? Deterrent, anomalous. Here, where the longest jail term includes the short. Longest jail term, subsume means include. It includes the shortest ones. We require opposite. Subsume means include. Fascinate means attract, not related to the given word. Allure, attract, same meanings, one to same meaning. And palpation means heart beating, motivating. You can also say attractive. In fact, 1, 2, 4, 5, captivate is also nothing but attract, attracting the attention. 1, 2, 4, 5, all these 4 are synonyms with one another. But for the given question, subsume means include, opposite is exclude. Third option is the right answer. Deterrence means discouraging something. It has become hurdle, obstacle. Here, this highlights an issue that occasionally crops up in judicial discourse: the absence of sentencing guidelines in India. In theory, sentences can be deterrent, discouraging, obstacle, retributive, revenge taking, reformative, restorative. So I require a word, something hurdle, something stopping. Similar meaning, obstacle, same meaning. Catalyst, something which is medium. Incentive, opposite. Dazzled means attractive. Encourage, opposites. So answer is first option, deterrent, obstacle. Anomalous. A means not, anomalous means normal. Anomalous means not normal. Context. It is basically irrational. Irrational means illogical and not normal. Anomalous means abnormal. And we require opposite. Opposite means normal related word. Atypical means same meaning. Eccentric, same meaning. Eccentric means odd, strange. Heteroclite, it is not related to the context. Hetero means multiple things. And standard becomes opposite. Standard means a regular, and anomalous means not regular, abnormal. Aberrant is also abnormal, and we require what opposite meaning. Hence, fourth option is the right answer. Condign is nothing but revenge taking punishment. Those that award condign punishment. Appropriate, same meaning, relevant punishment. Dearth means lack of. Robust, strong. Timid, fearful. 2, 3, 4 are related to strong. It is related to human personality rather than context. Improper, not relevant. Answer is appropriate. Condign punishment means revenge taking punishment or relevant punishment. Answer first one, appropriate. Now, two sentences have been given and below some words are given. And we need to select an option from the given options. So that option should combine these two particular 1 and 2 sentences. Everyone now knows that the debate on education had been postponed. Everybody knows what? The debate has been postponed. The debate on education had been postponed. But the government can discuss the crisis, not sure, but is used for combining a positive and negative sentence. But here, both positive related only. Government, the debate has been postponed and government can discuss both positive sentences. Everyone knows that debate on education has been postponed. So that means because. So that the government can discuss the latest crisis, maybe possibilities there. So as to no, not relevant. In order to, not in order that. Furthermore, not related. Furthermore means when you add something more. Hence, second one is the right answer. So that the government seems serious. The country's relations with its neighbors. As far is related to distance, when we talk about distance, we need to use far. The government seems serious. As far as the country's relations with its neighbors, no, not relevant. Provided that meaning is if. If government seems serious, and here in this subject verb is there, subject verb object is there, but here no subject, only subject is there, no verb. This is not complete sentence. So only provided that or if can be used when we have complete sentence. If government seems serious, government should do this, that should be there. So grammatically second one not possible. When is related to time. When the government seems serious, the country's relations with its neighbors, no. With reference, maybe. The government seems serious with reference to means related to, in relation to, means regarding. The government seems serious in the matters of country's relationships with its neighbors. Possibility is there. So long is again time related. So long as the job comes, I will keep preparing for it. No, fifth one, no. Answer is fourth option. With reference to the relationship with neighbors, country is serious. Means country is serious in terms of relationship with neighbors. The city people stayed fearlessly positive. Means bravely. Fearless means bravely. The city people stayed bravely. Rumors of terrorist attack, bit negative context. In spite, city people stayed bravely in spite of rumors of terrorist attack in the area. Yes, we can possibly combine. Why do we use in spite of or despite? We use in spite of or despite to combine a positive negative or negative positive sentences. To combine two contradictory statements, we use in spite of or despite. So two contradictory statements. The city people stayed bravely in spite of terrorist attack of rumors. They stayed bravely in the event of rumors, not sure. On account of means because of. Because of rumors, they stayed bravely. Because of terrorist attack rumors, no. In case of rumors, they stayed bravely, no. However, not. However, meaning wise same. Similar to that of in spite of. In spite of, however, same meaning, but the most relevant is first option, in spite of. In the view of financial crisis, the company does not have any choice. It does not have any choice except he does not have any choice except marrying her. So it does not have any choice unless to close down. Unless means if not. No. Does not have, company does not have any choice until to close down. No. Company does not have any choice else. Not sure. Company does not have any choice but to close down. Yes. But means here except. It does not have any choice. Then generally than is used when we talk about more or er. There is no more or er to use than. So fifth one is not possible. Answer can be either 3 or 5. When nothing is there, nothing else, but even after nothing else, if I have to use else, I require nothing, and not only that, I need again but. So but is more relevant. The company does not have any choice but to close down. But to close down means except closing down. Only that is the only alternative they have. Had I stepped out of my house? Here it is given in the question format. We use had I rarely for questions. Rarely for questions. This is rare case. And we have some other rule, it can be used in that particular rule. What is that rule? The rule is related to no sooner. After no sooner, we can use had I or had she rule. No sooner partner is than. No sooner had I entered the, no sooner had the faculty entered, all the students stood up and greeted. We can take no sooner than or else. Hardly, scarcely. Hardly, scarcely, hardly or scarcely had I. Hardly had I entered the classroom. But hardly, scarcely partner is when, not then. So now I need to search in the options. If I have any of the either of these two, then that will be the answer. On the other hand, immediately hardly. Third option is the right answer. Hardly had I stepped out of my house when I saw some policemen coming towards me. It means what? As soon as I stepped out of my house, a policeman came towards me. Third option. Do children have fewer chances of surviving? It is not a question, it is a sentence. Also. Also is related to what? Not only but also, yes. Instead of it also, no. Moreover also, maybe. Though but cannot be possible, because though but is used to combine positive negative, negative positive. So fourth, fifth not possible because they are used for contradictory combination. But here too, positive statements. Do children have fewer chance of surviving? They also lack educational opportunities. So both in a negative tone, sentence is positive. Not only children have fewer chances, they also lack educational opportunities. Moreover, do children have? No. Answer is first option. So not only they have fewer options, they also lack education opportunities. Ram's parents knew that he was addicted to gambling. Somewhat negative tone, he was addicted to gambling. They could not do anything, complete negative. Here he was positive action but a negative tone, and negative tone, negative action. Ram's parents knew he was addicted to gambling, but they could not do anything to reform him, maybe. Unless the parents knew he was, unless means if not, they know. Not relevant. Therefore, Ram's parents knew, therefore means so. Therefore, so meaning same meaning. Therefore, so, as a result, hence, that's why, thus. All these conjunctions have same meaning. When you want to tell a reason, we use all these things. So here, are we using the reason? For example, Ram parents knew, therefore, so they could not do anything? No. Third one, fifth one, not possible. Answer can be either 1 or 4. Until is related to time. Until that time I waited for the bus. It is not related to until. Answer is first option. But they knew he was addicted to gambling, but they could not do anything to reform him. The fact he worked hard, positive. He still did not get the success, negative. Moreover cannot come, moreover is needed. Moreover is used when you want to combine positive, positive or negative, negative. But here positive and negative. In spite of the fact he worked hard, he didn't get the success, possibility is there. After despite, we never use of, grammatically wrong. After in spite we can use of, but after despite we should never use. Despite should come alone. Until the fact, is he talking about time? Until the fact that he worked, the fact he worked hard until he still, no, already still is mentioned, until is not needed. If condition, if the fact that he worked, if he worked he would have passed, that should be there. So fifth one is also not possible, hence second one is the right answer. In spite of the fact he worked, he still did not get success. The unemployment rate has dropped. It has dropped sharply this month. It may only be temporary. Two, negative indicating actions. Unemployment rate has dropped sharply this month, but it may only be temporary. Yes. The unemployment rate has dropped. Likewise, other rate has also dropped. Not relevant. Though, nonetheless, meaning same. Though, nonetheless, or nevertheless, meaning same. Hence, I do not want to take 3 and 5. Still, let me check. The unemployment rate has dropped. Still, GDP here is high. Then it should be like contrast, opposites. So still is also not possible, but is the right one. The unemployment rate has dropped sharply, but it may be only temporary. The guidelines, though in the foreign language, were so simple. Guidelines were simple, though it is in foreign language. We could follow all of them without any difficulty. They were in foreign language. We could follow it without any difficulty. What is the partner of though? Though, although, even though. Whenever though, although, even though appear. Whenever though, although, even though appear, we should never use but after them in the sentence. We can use yet as an option. We should never use but we can use yet optionally. So but is not possible because though is there. So the guidelines though in the foreign language were they were simple. So far that we could not, far is related to distance now. Though in they were in the foreign language, even though same, that not related. Fifth one yet is the right answer. Though partner is yet, fifth one is the right answer. That's all for now. Thank you for your participation.